Hey everybody, I was looking for some street tires for my Traxxas Rustler VXL, and I found some Banditos, and I found this and that, but I came across these Speedhawks, and they're from Duratrax. They're Speedhawks, Speedtreads Speedhawks. This is them right here. They looked really good, and they actually just had a pair at my hobby shop, so I went ahead and bought them. Of course, I could have got them cheaper if I'd have bought them online. I'll put a link in the description if you like these things. But we're going to put these on here. Okay, so here's the size. They're pretty close to the size of the Rustler. It's normal tires, just as thick. Nice meaty tire, nice tread. Really cool looking wheels. I bought some on eBay before, and it never said what size they were, and they come back like little bitty wheels and tires like that. So let's get these on here and see how they look. Hey, while I was putting the wheel on, I forgot to mention that these are 14 millimeter, and the Traxxas is 12, of course, but they have a adapter that slides right in there, which is cool because you can fit this to 14 millimeter hubs and 12 millimeter hubs. So if you have a Arma or any other something else that has 14, it'll just bolt right on there. Wow, she looks really good with those street tires on there. Nice aggressive stance. Let's see what she'll do. Oh no. Oh no. No, no, no. Oh. The poor thing. She's all busted up. Look at her. Look at her. Yep. She's a goner. I can fix this though. As horrific as that was, we're good to go. It was just a caster block, got busted in half. Easy fix, 5 minutes. Alright, let's continue. As you can see, they're kind of useless in the grass. Of course, you kind of knew that. I just wanted to prove a point. These are just street tires. Alright, my final thoughts on the Duratrax Speedhawks. They're good tires. They're good street tire. I like to hear them squeal when I get on the brakes or the gas a little bit. They do need to have some heat put in them because they're really, really loose when they're real cold. But once they warm up, they're not bad. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See ya.